Yo, remember Super Plus? The supermarket chain that used to be everywhere in Jamaica? Let me tell you what really happened to it. Super Plus was owned by the Chin family, a Jamaican Chinese business dynasty. At one point, they had over 30 branches across the island, making them one of the largest retail chains in the Caribbean. They were big business. But around 2007, 2010, things started going downhill. They faced massive competition from new supermarket brands, plus rising operating costs, staffing issues, and debt pressure. Then came the Jamaican dollar slide and global financial crisis. Their costs went up, profit margins got crushed, and slowly the stores started to shut down one by one. They even tried converting some locations into Megamart style formats, but it was too late. By 2011, the empire had collapsed. What was once a household name just disappeared. Moral of the story? Big business in Jamaica can rise fast but fall even faster without strategy and reinvention. Follow for more real stories they don't teach in school, and subscribe to my YouTube for the full breakdown.